you felt hungry, and just needed a quick recharge. 민규님이 잊지 못할 배고팠던 있습니까?
와우. 저는 콘서트 앵콜 준비할 때가 제일 배고프고요.
Na nag-prepare daw siya ng encore stage for the concert.
콘서트 시작하고 한 2시간 반 정도 뒤에 배고파요.
The 2.5 hours after the concert starts, that's when he gets hungry. 그러네.
그때가 제일 와우.
이거 통역을 그렇게 하면 될까요?
네. 와우.
Parang yung feeling kasi is, wow.
그래서 그때 항상 그 당 충전을 많이 하는 편인 것 같고.
Kaya siguraduhin niya na yung recharge. The next ones, you make sure na fully charged siya.
아니면 그 아침밥을 항상 챙겨 먹는 편인데 시간이 없을 때.
시간이 없을 때는
with sneakers.
with
오케이.
He said, nung may time siya, he makes sure to take breakfast, but if he doesn't have breakfast, he takes Snickers. Right, so he got the Snickers. 다음 질문 드리도록 하겠습니다. Your fans are dying to know you visited the Philippines multiple times already. Not only in Bulacan for concert, but you were in Cebu. You were in Cebu also. If you had one day, no schedule, no shoot, nothing, just yourself.
Just one day?
Just one.
That's too short.
Do you like
5 days.
Okay, 5 days. I'll give you 6 days. I'll give you 6 days. Okay, where would you want to go? And what must, ano yung mga, nagtagalog pa ako sa mga. What must have essentials will you bring during that day? 자, 6일 동안 스케줄 없이 시간을 보낼 수 있다면 꼭 가져가야 되는 필수템, 그리고 어딜 가고 싶은지.
일단 저는 따뜻한 바다가 있는 곳을 가고 싶고요.
He wants to go to a warm beach.
그리고 저는 선글라스랑 수영복을 챙길 것 같고요.
So kaya he will be bringing sunglasses and of course swimsuits. Swimwears? Is the swimwear full body or? Okay, sorry for that question.
So just pants me.
Okay, and then?
그냥 가고 싶은 곳은 이번 설을 통해서 캐럿분들한테 좀 물어볼게요.
He will be asking the place he wants to try now. He will be asking the fans through Weverse.
I
You need recommendation. Okay. One place I can recommend Intramuros. Intramuros. Near to everyone's house. Intramuros. 이게 역사적인 공간이에요. Intramuros. 그리고 뭐
It's okay.
it's very hot. Okay. Now, the questions are getting more information, but I want to switch up the vibe. So we want to know your vibe, everyone's vibe. So let's play a quick